Hello and welcome to India Today. This is Anita Brito in conversation with the amazing Deepak Tijori. Hello, how are you?
Wonderful, thank you very much.
Firstly, a huge congratulations to you. You are making us proud. How does it feel?
Thank you so much. I am honored. I feel elated, yes, but I was more shocked and more than anything else because there comes a time in your life that you really don't expect these kind of things to happen to you, because there was a time when I was expecting.
Okay.
From the time when I was in 90s doing Ashiki, so every year by year after every film that would release, and it would really be a benchmark film, so I would always look for that award function to come and then look for the nomination list. And I have never found myself over there, so I had almost given up, thinking that after कभी हाँ कभी ना 3-4 साल 5 साल मैंने देखा, मैंने बोला चलो आ गया नाम आ गया, नहीं आया. Then I said नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि मैं juries को खरा नहीं उतर रहा. So they probably have something better. Then I just let it go. I never bothered about it. And this was like out of the blue. I had decided to work as an actor again, so I wanted to play my age all the time. So I made this, stop doing this coloring stuff and all that. So one fine day I bumped into Veena Bakshi. She's a director who's a national award winner. So she offered me a script, and I loved that cinema because I always wanted to do that cinema. So she said it's a family film and this and that, and this is what you have to play your age. So I love that idea about playing my age. So I immediately say yes to it because I read the script and I loved it. And after that, I was just kind of looking at more avenues, and I just thought I'll just write something. So I just probably penned this idea because this was something which I would have wanted to play. So generally, Joe and me have been friends, but not really working friends. He's a director, of course, and he's made films in the past. So chilling over coffee, and he said कि क्या करने का बोल तो I've written something, I'm looking for somebody. So he suddenly liked the idea very much, and he said चल बनाते हैं. So that is how it all started. It was just like over a coffee. We decided that we'll do this together. He will direct, I will act, and then he started bringing in the bigness that it really got in, because it was a short film, and didn't expect so much to happen to it. So I was just playing it easy day by day, how it is. And then he said, okay, एक काम करते हैं लड़की के लिए, we'll try and approach her. Let me approach and ask Ulia. So I said, चलो ठीक है यार, पूछ ले यार, तू पागल है, तू कुछ भी सोच रहा है. तो होता है नहीं, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ाते हैं ना यार. So it was wonderful that she reads, her staff, her people read, and they just kind of also wanted to be a part of this, which was so amazing. So suddenly that was the first step we took towards getting the right person for the role, because she was the biggest surprise package for us, because the way she performed, she was never known to be an actor, but her debut,
Mostly
a singer and a presenter. So the confidence that she had to perform, it was like it's a emotional film. It's a film which has got so much depth. So I was wondering, I said yaar kamal ho gaya, matlab performance karte it was so smooth, Anita. It was like wow, क्या कर रही है यार, तो मजा आ रहा था.
So she
surprised me completely. And that is where suddenly, and plus what I had written. So when you write something, you do have your own kind of an idea. But when Joe brought in that vision, he made it into a different kind of a thing. मैं सोचा कि हम लोग कहीं पंचगिनी में जाके, वाडा में जाके शूट करेंगे, कुछ करेंगे. बोलता है नहीं, अपन श्रीलंका जा रहे हैं. फिर श्रीलंका में भी जाके फिर हम लोग कुछ 7-8 घंटे हम लोगों ने ड्राइव करना, वो लोकेशन पे जाना, विच वॉज लाइक अ बड़ी अमेजिंग प्लेस, अमेजिंग. तो मैं बोला क्या बात है यार जो, क्या बात है. So it was giving me that feeling that this is like not really just a short film anymore. It was like a proper feel that Villa was a character which was actually written in the film, and it actually was coming in front of my eyes. So I was loving the fact, the way he was looking at this film. And then once the film was done, and I thought, oh, chalo theek hai, ho gaya. Now he started doing the festival round. So 1-1.5 mahina hua yaar, Anita, and we started getting, fortunately getting all these selection. तो जब उसने मेरे को पहले फ़ोन किया, मेरे को बोला ब्रो तेरे को अवार्ड मिल रहा है, तू नॉमिनेट हो रहा है. बोला चलना यार, तू दुखती रहा. और ये बोलता नहीं, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ भाई. बोला यू बीन बड़ी नॉमिनेटेड इन अमंगस्ट दोस गोरास. क्या बात कर रहा है. बोला सच्ची हम लोग. So I was actually overwhelmed to even realize कि यार ये हो सकता है, तो वो हो सकता है वाली बात तो खो ही दी थी मैंने. तो which was a wonderful part, कि मैं I just couldn't believe it. So fortunately, yes, now we're looking at also showing this around, because that's now it's coming to that कि a lot of people are saying कि यार हम लोग को भी दिखाओ अभी, तो कुछ कर रहे हैं, जो कुछ प्लान कर रहा है, he's got something good line up, he says कि you know let's plan to show it to our audience, because it's a short film, and I feel, you know, Anita, शॉर्ट फिल्म है, लेकिन शॉर्ट फिल्म जिस हिसाब से आप बनाते हो और जो आप बनाते हो, और अगर वो चीज़ में कोई ऐसी बात है, तो आई थिंक ऑडियंस वुड लव टू वॉच इट.
Of course, now everything is accepted as long as the content is good. Content works a lot. Right?
बिकॉज अभी 2-2 मिनट की कुछ सीरीज बनाने के लिए फोन आते हैं मेरे को, बोलते हैं कि 2-2 मिनट,
2 मिनट की
2 मिनट की वर्टिकल फॉर्मेट
for social media. Like,
हाँ, सोशल मीडिया भी आएगी, और वो प्रॉपर बिग OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर मेकिंग इट.
okay.
I was called for it. I said, क्या बात कर रहा है? Apparently,
This
it's
is
a
something
$7 billion industry. Vertical format in Korea and China, which is unbelievable. It has come now. You'll see them very soon.
But do you think this is the right time to be in the industry? Because you know there is so many avenues.
This is the
and
best time. This is the best time. Trust me, for technicians, for actors, for anybody, today there is work. It depends whether you want it, you don't want it. पहले की तरह नहीं है. हम लोग के टाइम में तो ना टीवी भी नहीं था. हम लोगों को तो 10 प्रोड्यूसर हैं, वही 10 के पीछे हम 1000 लोग लग जाते थे कि भाई मेरे को रोल दे दे, भाई मेरे को. वो नहीं है टाइम यार. अभी ये नहीं है तो इसके पास जा, ये नहीं है इसके पास जा. काम ज़रूर मिलेगा, पर जो काम चाहिए वो ना मिले, दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, बट काम ज़रूर मिलेगा. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल पीपल, आई सेड कि डोंट एवर से दैट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग वर्क इन बॉम्बे. That is not possible.
There is work.
There is work.
There is work.
But
Yeah.
it depends what you want.
Absolutely.
So you have to just be in the mindset you want to work, and you'll get it.
Yeah, but you know now Indian actors and short films are especially being globally recognized and you know loved for whatever you know content they are bringing in. How do you see this change?
It's a fabulous change, because it is not just you know, it's an exploration for even actors. A lot of times we don't get to perform and the kind of do characters which we can do in short films. For example, I'll tell you the kind of work that we do on OTT, we would have never got to do that on screen. वो हम लोग को मार देता था. आज OTT के आने से कितनी चीज़ें खुल गई है और कितनी चीज़ें हम देख पाते हैं. How many such characters which have suddenly become so big, and so many actors who were not even recognized today, they are like, oh my God, ये देखो क्या काम कर रहा है यार. Those things which are happening now, just I think every new avenue that is coming in, it is bringing in its own flavor, which we have not tapped that. And as actors, I would say that this is one place where I always thought कि बस short film है यार, लेकिन short film में आप वो कर सकते हो जो आपको नहीं मिलेगा मौका, या जब भी ना मिला मौका, वो चीज़ें करना, तो वो आपको एक मौका मिलता है. So I think that's a beautiful, and most of the people, not over here only in Hollywood, you'll see some A-liners, they've done short films. They're still doing short films. So I think people should now find a way to bring this to the audience. Not just now to the limited to the OTT platform में लेके जाके लॉरेल्स ला के बेच दिया. कुछ तो निकालना चाहिए. तो उसके लिए मेरे ख्याल से जो इज़ प्लानिंग समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. अगर वो सक्सेसफुल हो जाता है, दुआ करो हो जाए, तो आई थिंक हम लोगों के लिए, सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Yeah, but if I may ask you, one character from your past, if you had to bring into a short film, which one would it be and why?
I would say that, see,
don't be
yeah, no, I'm not saying, I'm not going into the past. Why? Because I'm feeling that in the past, frankly speaking, Anita, I have not done anything.
Why do you say that?
I'll tell you why.
You know how
I'll tell you
people
why.
remember you till
Exactly.
today.
So that's so sweet of people. Why I'm saying is, has a deeper meaning to it. They haven't seen my acting potential. What I have to offer will be offered now. Will be offered.
Is this Deepak Tijori 2.0?
2.0. You can say that, because truly speaking, I am reading scripts. You will see my work. It will speak. And you will get to know what I mean by saying that those things what I did is I can't comprehend, I can't understand that boy. What he did that time,
In the
it was,
90s.
yeah, in 90s. He has done it out of being just, you know, kind of a desperate, कि मैं acting करूँगा, मैं cinema करूँगा, मैं ये करूँगा. But now I want to do act. I want to act. I want to perform. So when you see this, you will realize what I mean. when you will see Ittar, which is a film which is completed, which you'll know what I mean by this is going to be, because I always envied one actor. Of all the people that I worked in my life, and while I was working, it was only Irfan.
Irfan Khan.
Because the cinema that he got in, I always, you know, Anita, how much I tried for that cinema. I was not able to even break anywhere. There was a time when Govind Ilani Saab in 94, 95, he was on holiday and he was sitting in a coffee shop waiting for somebody. And we were one of those regular dudes out there in holiday. तो मैंने देखा यार बैठे यार अर्ध सत्य आई थी और मैं तो पगला गया था अर्ध सत्य के बाद मेरे को यार ये करना है। और फिर हम लोग जब देखते थे पार के पोस्टर नसीर साहब और ओमपुरी साहब और इन लोग के क्या यार ये साला इनको मौका मिलता है यार एक्टिंग करें, हम लोग क्या करते हैं यार इधर से उधर गाना गा लिया ये कूद लिया वो करने का था। तो गोविंद जी जब बैठे हुए थे ना तो आई जस्ट जम्प्ड ऑन टू द सिचुएशन, आई वाज पासिंग फ्रॉम दैट, एक मिनट रुक जा मैं आता हूँ सर 1-2 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ, आप किसी की वेट कर रहे हो, वोंट टेक टू मच टाइम। ऑफ कोर्स दीपक बैठो, तो ही न्यू माय नेम, आई वाज एलेटेड भाई मेरे को जानते हैं। बोले सर आई वांट टू डू योर सिनेमा, आई वांट टू वर्क विथ यू। तो वो ऐसे ही देखने लग गए मेरे को फ्रीज। फिर बोलते दीपक यू कैन नेवर वर्क विथ मी। मैं तो डर गया यार, मैं बोला क्या कर दिया। बोलते यू आर अ हाईली कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी, आई डोंट मेक दैट सिनेमा। और उस टाइम के बाद में मैं अनीता उस तरफ कभी गया नहीं। But when Irfan started doing films, he broke that. He changed the whole scenario, saying कि बॉस ये कमर्शियल भी हो सकता है और ये कंटेंट बेस्ड सिनेमा भी हो सकता है, इसमें मज़ा भी है और इसमें थ्रिल भी है। तो ये जो बात थी ना, वो एक्टर की वजह से मैं उसको हमेशा मैं एनवी करता था और मैं मिला भी था उसको, मैं अपनी तरफ से भी मैं बट बेसिकली आई वेंट देयर एज अ डायरेक्टर एंड यू नो वी वर लुकिंग एट वर्किंग टुगेदर। फिर उसने इरफान ने बोला भी कि दीपक कुछ ऐसा लेके आ, तो मैं करता हूँ तेरे साथ में। बोला ठीक है, तो उस तब तक लेट हो गया था। सो इन फैक्ट दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि यू नो मेरे को हमेशा वो लगता था। तो वो सिनेमा जो मेरे को सडनली चल के आया वो थी इतर, वो स्क्रिप्ट आई। अब इतर के बाद भी जो है ना 2-3 स्क्रिप्ट्स मेरे पास आई हैं विच आर ब्यूटिफुल। So I feel that there is so much more to offer now. I feel it is still just now the beginning, and I feel that that's just going to start.
But do you think you were typecast very early on during your career?
Very early on. I mean, it was just blatantly understood. I'm the best friend. I'm the best supporting. So in a way, I would say that whatever happens in life, I guess there is a learning to it. I took it as a learning. And I've grown out of that, and I feel that there is much more to me which I can present now, and I'm sure I'll be able to surprise a lot of people.
Were you not able to break that image? Because a lot of people try to break that image.
They tried.
Did you try to break that image?
A lot of my friends who got stuck. I mean, I know that they have the potential, and they could have also broken out of it, but they haven't managed to. They're still there.
Is that the reason you took a step back and
Yes.
then you wanted to act?
Yeah, I deliberately, completely cleaned myself out. That's the reason I said, I did not color my hair. I don't want to come with that black thing. I don't want to come with that, you see that Shekhar Malhotra? I don't want people to talk, hey, देख Shekhar Malhotra जैसा है। नहीं, अभी नहीं है। ये, this is another man altogether. He's coming in with a grey and with his, you know, he's coming in with a lot of a different feel to every role that I'm going to do, which is what I am looking forward to. बिकॉज वो जो किया ना वो उस टाइम पे कर दे, वो जोश वाली बात थी। उसमें तो एक्टिंग का मेरे को ये नहीं था, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं थी। तो अभी हम लोग जो देखते हैं वक्त के साथ ना और रियलाइज़ करते हैं, मैंने खुद रियलाइज़ किया जब उस दौर से मैं निकला बाहर, तो मैंने अभी भी देखा, मेरे अभी भी कुछ एक्टर्स हैं जो स्टार्स हैं जो स्टक हैं। तो आई फील कि यार मेरे को, मैं अच्छा हुआ मैं सटक गया हूँ, लेकिन अब मेरे को जो करना है शायद हो सके तो मुझे सपोर्ट मिल जाएगा तो मैं शायद कर पाऊँगा। तो आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग एन अटेम्प्ट, ट्राइंग समथिंग न्यू एंड होपिंग that at least industry would, you know, consider that aspect of what I'm looking for. So I guess I've been patient and I'm just now restarting.
But you also worked with Shah Rukh, Amir, who have, I think even Shah Rukh also played second fiddle somewhere, some films mein. But he's moved on. How was working with both of them? How was the energy on set when you worked with all these people then?
See, we were all contemporaries at that point in time. We were also friends. So there was no such thing कि you know कि ये मेरे से कुछ better करके जाएगा या मैं उससे कुछ better करूँगा. It was तू ये कर मैं ये करता हूँ, तू ऐसा कर मैं ऐसा करता हूँ. तो इस तरीके का था माहौल ऐसा कभी नहीं था कि यार तू ऐसा कर रहा है मेरे साथ में मेरे रोल में, तू मेरा ये खा रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी
ऐसे नहीं था वो
कुछ
टाइम
भी
पे.
नहीं
They used
था,
to
नहीं
talk a
था।
lot about all these things.
Never that time. That time was like most beautiful time where we used to coordinate, we used to talk, we used to say, यार तू आना यार, इतने बजे आ जाना यार, मेरे को भी जाने का है, फिर तू ये सीन ऐसे मत कर, तू ऐसे कर देना यार, मैं ऐसे करूँगा, फिर तू इधर से इधर आ. सो उस तरीके का था. वरना आप सोचो कि पहला नशा जैसी फिल्म में मेरी फिल्म का सीन है, इसमें एक प्रीमियर है, वो प्रीमियर में शाहरुख, आमिर, सैफ, सुदेश बेरी, राहुल रॉय, ये सारे उस प्रीमियर के सीक्वेंस में आते हैं. वो फोटोग्राफ आज की तारीख में, वो इमेज आज की तारीख में, इट इज़ द रेयर मोमेंट इन सिनेमा. वो कौन करता है? आज बोलो किसी एक्टर को कि मेरे प्रीमियर की शूटिंग है, तो आ जाना यार. कहाँ जाते हैं लोग, दूसरे की प्रीमियर में नहीं जाते हैं, ये तो शूट करने आ गए थे. वो माहौल ही अलग था, नहीं था, वो फीलिंग अलग थी, वो एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करने वाली फील थी. अच्छा तू नहीं करेगा, चल मैं भी नहीं करूँ. ऐसी कितनी कहानियाँ हैं जिसमें एक्टर्स ने एक दूसरे को बोला है कि यार ये रोल मेरे को चाहिए, तू ये मत करना, तू छोड़ दे.
हाँ.
छोड़ दिया है.
Give me one story of
छोड़
this.
दिया है. बाजीगर मैं सामने एग्जाम्पल हूँ. अब्बास मस्तान were the people who were supposed to make Bazigar. That time I had narrated Bazigar to Abbas Mastan. They deferred, they went to Shah. Shah and me were friends. Shah के घर पे कैसेट पड़ी थी VHS की.
हाँ.
किस बिफोर डाइंग में. तू क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे? अरे बोलता है तेरे वो डायरेक्टर आए थे मेरे पास, वो टेस्ट टेप छोड़ के गए. तो बोलता है जब तक मेरे साथ मना नहीं हो जाता तब तक तू हाँ मत बोलना. बोला तू करते रहे, मेरे को बता देना.
So you were approached for Bazigar and
I had narrated Abbas Mastan Bazigar. Then eventually they got back to me. They said, they apologized and they said that we will compensate you someday. Please, Deepak, we have made that mistake. It's okay. It's forgotten. Whatever, let it be. So then it was settled between us that was okay. Because Shah was also a friend. So there were times which were like this, that मेरे को ये मिल रहा है, तेरे को ये मिल रहा है, तू ये करना चाहता है, तू ये छोड़ दे. ऐसे कितने किस्से हैं. मेरा तो एक किस्सा है, ऐसे तो 10 किस्से मिलेंगे बहुत उस टाइम पे. तो ऐसे करके हम लोग काम करते थे, इतनी अच्छी रिश्ते थे.
That's amazing. Yeah, this is something we didn't know. Wow.
आप कभी कभी अच्छे दूसरी बड़ी बड़ी सुपर हिट्स हुई हैं, मैं बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा, लेकिन हमको तो पता है कि क्या हुआ और कैसे बनी, कैसे किसने क्या छोड़ा और किसने क्या लिया.
I should sit down with you, not on camera, but we should sit and discuss this. There'll be a lot of stories like this.
That time. So there was no such animosity between actors. There was no such grievances we used to carry. We were like best friends.
Yeah. But today's time, when I think during your time, you all used to work for 12 hours,
of course,
14 hours,
16.
But yeah, now the time has changed. There are female actresses who are, telling the directors that we want to work for 8 hours. Especially new mothers.
Yes, new mothers. Justified.
What is your take on this entire
No, it's justified. I'll tell you why. Because उस time पे हम लोग की जो फैमिलीज़ होती थी, हम लोग रहते थे, हम लोग न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज़ नहीं होती थी. फैमिलीज़ में कोई ना कोई और मेंबर्स भी होते थे जो हमारे बच्चों का ख्याल रख सकते थे. आज नहीं है वो सिचुएशन. आज अगर आप अकेले रह रहे हैं अपने फैमिली के साथ में और आपको बच्चा हुआ है, you'll have to. Today, having a baby is not anymore the kind of कि भैया बच्चे को पालना है. बच्चे को पालना आज अलग हो गया है. Things have changed a lot. So I totally feel कि नहीं, जो ये डिमांड कर रहे हैं उनकी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स होगी ना. उनका जब ऐसा नहीं था वक्त, उन्होंने भी किया ना 16 घंटे काम. आज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, शौक़ तो नहीं है. तो इसलिए मैं सोचता हूँ कि जस्टिफाइड है यार. जिसको करना है करे, ना करना है उसको आप
दो. It is possible also. Of course, depends on that.
भाई होता है ना, आप सुपरस्टार्स आते हैं, सुपरस्टार्स 2 बजे आते हैं शिफ्ट में, फिर भी आप उनको 6 बजे पैकअप करा देते हो ना. हमारे टाइम पे भी आते थे, हम भी रुकते थे. वो सुपरस्टार आते थे, 2 बजे आएगा, 4 घंटे काम करेगा, निकल जाएगा, वो दूसरी शिफ्ट पे जाना. बिकॉज हमारे टाइम पे तो शिफ्ट टू शिफ्ट होती थी.
That's why I said you all used to work like almost 18-19 hours.
Exactly. And then that time people used to say ना कि हाँ ठीक है यार, वो 2 बजे आएगा, वो 6 बजे निकल जाएगा, दीपक रेडी रहना, स्टेप वेप सब सीख ले पहले से, ये कर ले वो कर. ऐसे होता था यार. तो ये हमने टाइम निकाला, हमने देखा है ना, लोगों ने काम किया है ना, तो फिर क्यों नहीं सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं.
इट इज़ पॉसिबल.
ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ पॉसिबल. आज एरोगेंस थोड़ी सी हो गई है, क्योंकि आपको सक्सेस मिलता है तो आपको लगता है कि मैं आपके साथ में क्यों झुकूंगा, मैं आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्यों चलूँगा. एक ईगो आ जाता है. अगर ईगो को हम लोग साइड में रख दें तो वी कैन डू लॉट ऑफ मोर क्रिएटिव वर्क यार. There are a lot of good things can happen.
Also, when you came in, I don't know, but you just correct me. Were there trolling for new actors when they came in? Because now new actors when they come, they are scrutinized a lot.
Too
How
much.
do you see
There's
that?
too much pressure on them.
New
आज
kids.
न्यू किड्स के लिए इतना प्रेशर आ गया है कि स्पेशली इफ़ दे आर बिलोंगिंग टू द फैमिली, तो मतलब उनके लिए कत्ल है कि भैया उनको तो मतलब दे आर सिटिंग विद डैगर्स, कहीं गलती होगी मारो चाकू, ये हो गया है। ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए यार। पीपल हैव टू बी गिविंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू पीपल हु आर न्यू कमर्स। एक तो उनके ऊपर ऑलरेडी प्रेशर होता है कि हम उस ख़ानदान से, भाई हमको प्रूव करना है। तो कई बार तो ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ बच्चे नहीं आते हैं, ये सोच के नहीं आते कि भाई मैं अपने बाप की लेगेसी पे जी नहीं पाऊँगा, इससे बेटर मैं करता ही नहीं हूँ। So those kind of pressures, why you're putting on kids? Let them survive, let them give them a chance. नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो दूसरा चांस। अरे यार 18 चांसेस 17 चांसेस तो बच्चन साहब ने लिए थे, तब जाके वो स्टार भी नहीं थे। तो फिर बाद में आप उस टाइम पे देखो, जब उनकी 16-17 फिल्में एक साथ लाइन में फ्लॉप हुई थी और वो आदमी ने सर्वाइव किया, तब आप लोगों ने क्या क्या नहीं बोला उनके बारे में। बाद में सुपरस्टार हो गया वो आदमी।
But they gave chance. They gave enough chance.
हाँ, वो that was not because he was a family kid. He was not. He was an original, authentic man who has labored himself into bringing where he is today. So I think give them opportunities, boss. Nothing like that.
Right. Okay, my final question to you. One co-actor of your past you want to reunite with, who would that be?
I am united with all of them. I am
No,
still
but in a
touch with
film,
them.
like if I have to tell you, you have to come work with one actor that you want to work with. Amir, Salman, Sanjay,
I would
Akshay.
say-
There is a lot of.
I would say, and it always comes in my mind. I would say it should be Ju Jita Wahi Sikandar and with Amir, and where he is a coach of model school and I am the coach of Rajput.
Oh, that would be amazing.
And that would be a war that would be wonderful to see on screen.
On that note, it is a very good idea. I hope the directors or producers, whoever listens to this, hopes to plan something like this.
Yeah,
but we
because
will be
because
looking
because
forward
that
to it.
movie resonates even with today's audience,
Yeah,
even with
it
the
does,
Gen
it
Zs.
does, it does,
You know, and then
absolutely.
those remarkable characters which are still so iconic that it would be completely amazing to see that.
Amazing. Well, on that note, thank you so much. I would have loved to speak a lot, but I think we are
Same
running
here.
out of time.
Not at all.
But thank
We'll
you,
catch up
and
again.
again,
Yes.
congratulations to you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Lovely. Pleasure.